Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad. First, you'll need to cook 2 chicken breasts thoroughly. Once cooked, let them cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for easy shredding. After cooling, shred or dice the chicken into small, uniform pieces. Aim for pieces about 1/2 inch in size for the best texture. This preparation ensures your chicken salad has a consistent and enjoyable bite. Next, let's create the creamy base for your chicken salad. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. The celery adds a nice crunch. Then, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion for a subtle bite. Season this mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together until it's well blended and smooth. Now it's time to add some extra flavor and texture. You can incorporate 1/4 cup of chopped grapes for a touch of sweetness, or pecans for a nutty crunch. Next, mix in 1 tablespoon of fresh dill or parsley, finely chopped, to brighten the flavors. Gently fold all of your prepared ingredients together with the chicken until everything is evenly coated. Be careful not to overmix, which can make the chicken tough. Finally, for the best flavor, chill your chicken salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can serve it on your favorite bread, with crackers, or in crisp lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.